tulog na dahil sa nabunong ito, maximum siya makagpit sila tutulog ng buka. Pero, this normal combination with questions. Okay, so yung guys. Dapat sekarang semua baca semua audit, sekarang sekarang nama lain, dapat sekarang sekarang. By chance asung jauh dia ada di seluruh nama audit, sekarang ni, lepas sekarang terasa kan ini disebut sekarang sekarang. Di sana kan, lepas by chance asung dah ada nama audit saya sudah kan, kalau ni nak, sebab audit ni, audit kalau sekarang ni. Kalau di mana apa tahu sih dengan dia dulu. Not kalau my sports team, my sports. Langsung hotel lang buka tayo ko, ne? Langsung hotel lang sila. Problem ko sino yata ko, ne? Take them to the hotel to make sure they get okay. But this is not good, ma. Should have been worked out properly before. I know also personally. The boys have
most of these
boys message me directly. Yeah. They got my access number me directly.
These boys from I think from Garhwals only. They told us that they'll be leaving now. They won't be taking part because it's pathetic the condition that they are putting up.
Oh, that's why immediately I told them that you be shifted to the hotel and then put them. It's not the way. I mean, I'm not happy with this.
This is
very.
I mean, I think everyone's not only here. There's accommodation made in MSOA office also. I mean, both boys and girls are being kept in the same building, and the toilet there's no provision for water also. I mean,
that was a shift just now.
That's what, but they should not be shifted there, no, sir, tonight. I mean, there should arrangements should have been made from the beginning. No? I mean, you have to see the condition of the building. It's leaking. I mean, the boys cannot sleep there.
Bathrooms.
Bathroom pathetic.